Why is life hard for some people and consistently easy for others? Why is a friend you know happy in their marriage and another one so miserable and severally divorced? One colleague is a sharpshooter at work, but someone else you know has stagnated in their career. Why? It's because of the subconscious mind. The conscious mind comprises thoughts, feelings, and memories that you are aware of. The subconscious is everything that runs in the background. How you program it is the primary difference between happiness and misery and success and failure. Subscribe to this channel for more insights into the subconscious mind. In this video, we look at ways you can speak to your subconscious mind before bed for impactful results in your life. It's a 4-step procedure. Make it your nighttime routine from today. 1. Remove distractions and clear your mind when you lie in bed. Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, once said, "Never go to sleep without a request to your subconscious." The man was a successful genius. That shows that some influential people use the power of the subconscious in their endeavors. Let's not digress. The main thing is that when you settle in bed, before you sleep, remove distractions. These include the book, the movie, or nagging negative thoughts. These things reduce the chances of having a successful connection with your subconscious when you sleep. Don't doze off watching things on your laptop, and don't doze off thinking how you hate your boss either. That may make things worse for 2 reasons. One is that you will get no chance to speak to your mind about what you want from life. Then, of course, remember that your subconscious is more open in the few minutes when you fall asleep. Your brain is in theta mode, and the gateway to eternal possibilities is open. So if you are thinking negative things at such a time, dear friend, you risk living an unhappy life the next day. And if negative thoughts and worry are your routines every night, anxiety and inadequacy can easily be the story of your life. 2. Decide what you want to ask, then relax and get ready to make the request. Now that you have gotten distractions out of the way, you are in the company of your mind. Identify the things you want to ask, then relax your muscles and put the thinking mind to rest. Deep breathing. Close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Practice belly breathing, which is deeper and more relaxing than chest breathing. Allow your muscles to relax. Preferably, lay on your back with your feet slightly apart. Get comfortable and let it feel like you are floating. I'm at peace. Do this small chant repeatedly to sink into a meditative state. This is necessary to attain brain and heart coherence when you make your requests. 3. Once you've reached utter relaxation, start to visualize your desire. Say you want new inspiration for your music or more money for your business. Asking your subconscious for insight or money might not change things. Why is that? You may remain forever in the state of wanting. The subconscious is spoken through visualizations. Fantasize. Let it play in your mind what it would feel like to get what you want. If it's more money for business, picture moving to a bigger commercial building and hiring new teams. Picture the large clientele that you will be serving and the different locations you will expand to. This mental movie making, when your brain is at theta, gets to your subconscious. And you know what happens? Wait till you hear this. The subconscious believes everything you feed it. And somehow everything that the subconscious mind believes, your conscious mind executes. That is why Napoleon Hill said, "Whatever the mind can conceive, it can achieve." That is so because the conscious mind emanates from the subconscious. And that makes it a powerful ally to have in your life. You can walk, talk, and play the piano with little mental effort. And why do you have a specific religious belief? Love a certain type of music, or love art or science? The short answer is this. You have a mental software, the subconscious, that was programmed for these in your childhood or earlier in life. In time, these things became a part of you. They became you. You no longer have to think about it when you walk because you rehearsed it so well, your body-mind learned how to do it automatically. That is how bedtime mental programming works.
4. So do it consistently. Every night is a gift, an opportunity to create. Like learning to play a musical instrument or ride a bike, repeatability is key to attaining successful mental programming. Do it every time. The desire is your prayer, the visualization is your voice. If you have the right brain and heart coherence, whatever you ask, you will receive it. Here, brain and heart coherence implies that what you want should be genuinely and really what you want. It could make sense rationally to have a multi-billion business empire, for instance, but deep down, your heart may be scared of the changes that may come with that. This conflict and the shadow of a doubt interfere with your communication with the subconscious. That is why it is advisable to write down and take time to think about what you want before you ask. When your heart desires the same things as your rational mind, the sky is the limit. So, let's share a little secret of how successful people get this right. They think as they feel, and they feel as they think. In other words, align your emotions and thoughts. The visualization pattern will be something like, "It makes sense to have money. I can pay the bills and expand my business empire. It feels good to have money. I love having enough money to share with my loved ones. I feel empowered." Do this every night. When you visualize, imagine that it has already occurred. Feel good in the present. Feel empowered, loved, abundant, and everything else you ask. In the next few days, you will notice specific changes in the way you do things.